Welcome! In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on email notifications for when a Facebook page you follow goes live. This way, you'll never miss out on important updates, breaking news, or fun live streams from your favorite content creators. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. This process is the same for both iOS and Android devices. Once you have the app opened, look to the top right corner of your screen. You should see three horizontal lines, also known as a hamburger menu icon. Tap on this icon to open up the Facebook menu. Next, scroll down until you see Settings and Privacy. Tap on Settings and Privacy to expand the menu, and then select Settings. This will take you to your account settings page, where you can adjust various preferences and options. Now, scroll down until you find the Notifications section, and then tap on Notifications. Here, you can customize how you receive notifications from Facebook, including the option to enable email notifications for different activities. In the Notifications settings, look for Video and tap it. This section controls your notification preferences for videos on Facebook. Finally, to enable email notifications for live videos, simply toggle on the Email option. This ensures that you'll receive an email whenever a page you follow starts a live broadcast. And that's it. You've successfully turned on email notifications for live videos on Facebook. Now you can stay informed and never miss out on the action. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks on using Facebook and other social media platforms. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and share it with your friends. And as always, feel free to leave any questions or comments down below. Happy Facebooking!